Hello, ka-Japanese time! Yes. Thank you again for watching my video. If you don't watch my video last time, please watch it, okay? Because now we will learn another very basic in Japanese. Yes, okay. Yes, I know that you are very familiar in Japanese, especially those who are watching animes. Yes, okay. Some of you have already experienced Japan, traveling Japan for many times, and you always hear the word "hai." Okay, what is "hai" in Japanese? Yes, okay, what's the meaning of "hai"? Okay, today we will learn another basic Japanese, what I have said a while ago. I will teach you how to say yes, no, and to say how do you do, or to the person the first time you meet. Okay, please watch my video. Okay, our first word is "hai." Yes, "hai" meaning yes. Okay, we're gonna say "hai." Yes, "hai." "Hai." Okay, very good again. "Hai." Yes, "hai." Okay. Okay, next we have the word "iie." "Iie" meaning no. No. Okay, say "iie." "Iie." No. Okay? Again, "iie." "Iie." Very good. Okay, next. To the person the first time you meet or you want to say how do you do, you will say "hajimemashite." One more. "Hajimemashite." "Hajimemashite." Very good. Okay, now let's do our recap. Okay, when you say yes, "hai." When you say no, "iie." And when you say to the first time you meet the person, and when you say how do you do, you will say "hajimemashite." Very good. Okay. Thank you again for watching my video, and please don't forget to click subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.